This is AVNation's preview of ISE 2018. My name is Tom Albright. I am your host. Integrated Systems Europe happens between February 6th and 9th in 2018, coming up just in about a month or so. What we're doing is we're interviewing a bunch of manufacturers and exhibitors who will be showing at the show, talking about the things that you'll be able to see in their stands. Joining us right now is Gabi Shriki. Gabi is from Valens, who is a founding member of the HDBaseT Alliance, about what HDBaseT will be showing. Gabi, welcome. So one of the things is, you guys are, real quick before I forget too much, you guys are in Hall 5, S100, the same hall you were in last year, slightly different location, but the same hall you were in last year. One of the things you started showing a couple of years ago, which I find interesting and actually helpful for folks that are interested in your technology but may not know all of the players that you have, you guys started introducing not all of the adopters, but a lot of the adopters that are using the HDBaseT technology in your booth. Are you doing that again this year?
Yes, we do. Actually, Valens, together with the HDBaseT Alliance and other members, are going to be part of the HDBaseT zone. Okay. Actually, here we are expanding the number of HDBaseT members. There will be around 21 members, including Valens there. There is a long list that we can share later in this podcast.
Oh, excellent. So what exactly, from a technology standpoint, are we going to be seeing? Last year, you guys started showing the HDBaseT network as a proof of concept. Are you expanding on that, or is there something new this year?
Yes. We are going to introduce the HDBaseT network. As you know, the HDBaseT started as a point-to-point technology. However, as introduced in the HDBaseT 2.0 spec, it is also a network-based. The HDBaseT is a packet-based protocol, very similar to the Internet protocol. It can be expanded and utilized in a network environment. In the past, we have shown networks, which are relatively simple, daisy chaining of different devices in a network topology. This year, we will show a complete HDBaseT switch, HDBaseT network that can connect between multiple end nodes and serve as exactly the same as an IP switch is serving. So you could have one input going to multiple outputs. You could have any input to any output, and you'll be able to do many more things that I will expand soon.
Well, so that's the thing is this is not just one or the other. It's actually a hybrid. You can do both. Is that right?
All right. So what we're going to show at the ISE as part of the HDBaseT Alliance booth, we'll be showing an HDBaseT network. And that HDBaseT network will be actually networking between HDMI domain, HDBaseT domain, as well as IP domain. We'll be able to take an end node that starts in the HDBaseT, will be routed through the switch, go to a remote building, a remote site over IP network. So basically, it's the holy grail of network installation. We strongly believe in the hybrid approach. We don't believe there is a silver bullet to solve all the problem with one technology. We think that HDMI combined with HDBaseT combined with IP is the right way to go, and it serves our customers.
Excellent. So we're going to be able to see this, touch it, play with it at the stand at ISE this year.
Correct.
All right. Let's talk about some of the players that are helping you do that, and some of the adopters and some of the member companies. Can you give me maybe one or two that folks have heard of that they'll be able to see their products in action in your booth?
Right. There are plenty of members joining us this year. I think you'll be able to see well-known companies like Aten, Aurora, as well as some of our key partners from Asia, like Cypress, HDCVT, PTN, who build product for other OEMs. We have actually interesting mixture of companies who shows multiple products of HDBaseT, including 3 different testing equipment companies.
Oh, wow.
Teledyne, Astro, as well as MS Solutions, who all provide capabilities for either lab engineers or installers in the field to test and verify their installations or their HDBaseT products. So it's going to be a very interesting show. Very also newcomers new joining companies to the HDBaseT are showing unique products like Advoly, who's going to show a very nice PCIe-based design for large-scale video wall with HDBaseT. Companies like Streamplay, companies that have unique products that I think will be very interesting to see.
All right, and I would also be remiss if I didn't mention this. That the HDBaseT helps AVNation put on the Tweetup at ISE, have ever since we started covering ISE. So we are doing the Tweetup at the HDBaseT booth. Again, that's booth Hall 5 S100 on the Wednesday of the show, February 7th from 4 to 6 p.m. We'll be there. You guys will be there. So come by and get some food and drink as well. Gabi, if somebody is not attending ISE for whatever reason, how do they follow along with you guys, or how do they kind of discover what you guys will be showing and announcing on the day of the show?
There's a great deal of information available on our websites, either the HDBaseT Alliance, www.hdbasett.org, or the Valens website, www.valens.com. Plenty of information there. We have an extensive presence in different regions of the world, and definitely you can approach our sales team there. We have the great portal of the Installer Zone. The Installer Zone is actually a place where all the installers can gather, get a lot of information, get a lot of help. There is a support group, pretty nice tool for them to take advantage of.
All right, Gabi, thank you so much. Gabi Shriki from Valens, who's a founding member of the HDBaseT Alliance. You can find out more information about AVNation at avnation.tv. Also follow along as we head to Amsterdam and cover ISE 2018 for you. So that and a whole lot more, our weekly programs, our daily programs, everything can be found at avnation.tv, avnation.tv. Thank you so much for watching.